Welcome to the magical jungle, where a parade of animals is about to begin. Our friends Vian and Vana are here to watch and cheer. Are you ready to join them? Let's clap our hands and get the parade started. Vana points down the path and gasps, "Look, Vian, something big is coming." Vian grabs his binoculars. Whoa, those are elephants, and they're leading the parade.
March, march, the elephants come. With heavy feet they go drum, drum, drum. Big and strong, they lead the way. Welcome to the parade today. March, march, the elephants come. With heavy feet they go drum, drum, drum. Big and strong, they lead the way. Welcome to the parade today.
Vana hears giggles coming from above. "Vian, look at the trees," she says. Vian looks up and laughs. The monkeys are joining the parade. They're so funny.
Swing, swing, the monkeys play, jumping and laughing all the way, juggling bananas and having some fun. They bring smiles to everyone. Swing, swing, the monkeys play, jumping and laughing all the way, juggling bananas and having some fun. They bring smiles to everyone.
As the monkeys move on, colourful birds appear in the sky. "Wow, look at the parrots flying in a line," Vian exclaims. "And look at the peacocks," Vana adds. "Their feathers are so beautiful."
Flutter and flare, the parrots soar, colors of the rainbow and even more. Peacocks strut so proud and tall, their feathers are the prettiest of all. Flutter and flap, the parrots soar, colors of the rainbow and even more. Peacocks strut so proud and tall, their feathers are the prettiest of all.
Just ahead, Vana spots a pond. "Look at all the frogs jumping around," she says. "And here come the ducks waddling in a line." Vian laughs. "This is so fun."
Hop, hop, the frogs take a leap. Quack, quack, the ducks never sleep. Splashing and dancing, they're here to stay, cheering the parade in their own special way. Hop, 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 the duck, 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 duck. Hop, the duck, 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 duck. Hop, the duck, 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 duck away.
The ground suddenly rumbles. "What's that sound?" Vian asks. Vana smiles. "It's the king of the jungle. The lion is here," she says. The other animals gather around to greet their leader.
The lion is here, the king of the jungle. Let's all cheer, leading the way with pride and grace. The parade is a happy life in grace.
As the parade comes to an end, all the animals gather together in the clearing for a grand celebration. "Look, Vian," Vana says. "They're all here dancing and cheering for us." Vian claps his hands. "This is the happiest jungle party ever," he exclaims.
Hooray, hooray, parade is done. We laugh, we dance, it's so much fun. Wave goodbye to the jungle today. Until next time we'll shout, hooray!
Thank you for joining us on this amazing adventure. Vian and Vana had a great time, and we hope you did too. See you at the next parade.